the Spirit. And we're going to wake them up because it's time for you to be an army and prophesy.
Holy mountain. Let all who live in the land tremble, for the day of the Lord is coming. It is close at hand. The hand of the Lord was upon me, and he brought me into a valley. It was full of bones, bones that were very dry. He said to me, Son of man, can these bones live? O sovereign Lord, you alone know. Then he said to me, prophesy to these bones and say to them, I will make breath enter into you and you will live. And so I prophesied.
Blow the trumpet in Zion, Zion.
Sound the alarm. Sound the alarm.
For the day of the Lord is at hand.
You will live, says the Lord. You will surely live.
These dry bones live. You shall live and not die.
You will live and not die.
And not die. Surely
Awake, awake, O
shall
sleeper.
live.
Arise, says the Lord.
Awake, 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 O sleeper,
We see dry bones. We see an army. They see dry bones. We see an army. They see dry bones. We see an army live. They see dry bones. We see an army. They see dry bones. We see an army. They see dry bones. We see an army live. You will surely live, says the Lord. We see dry bones. We see an army. They see dry bones. We see an army. They see dry bones. We see an army live. Live! Can you hear the sound? 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 Can you hear the sound of the Lord? He is coming! Can you hear the sound? 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 Can you hear the sound of the Lord? In these last days, I will pour out my spirit on all flesh. Your sons and daughters will prophesy. Your young men will see visions, and your old men will dream dreams.
multitudes, multitudes in the valley of decision.
Does anybody know what time it is? Does anybody know what time it is?
Now is the time you will prophesy.
Prophesy.
Lift up your voice and prophesy. Arise, arise,
Arise, arise,
awake, O sleeper.
arise, arise,
Do you not hear? Do you not know?
arise, arise,
He is coming.
arise,
He will shake the nations. Sound the alarm. Prophesy. Hear the word of the Lord. Summon the youth of the nations.
Come on, give God a shout of praise to sound like the army that you are.